Hello there. So today I'm going to share with you the Sugar and Sloth, the advent calendar. It just arrived today and I checked the website, and the only reason why I'm showing you this early, so huge spoiler alerts, that's why I have the paper over the top. If you do not want to see this because you've already ordered it and you're waiting for yours to come, do not watch this video. If you are on the fence about getting a subscription from Sugar and Sloth, this is the Christmas advent calendar that I'm going to open for you. They're still available on the website. They are £39 is what it costs. So by the time I get through this, you'll see if this is something that's worth it for you. Super fast shipping, very easy to order from them. I get a monthly subscription from Sugar and Sloth every month, and I absolutely love it. Cannot recommend it enough. If you want a feel-good happy day in a box once a month, you will get it no problem from Sugar and Sloth. So I'm going to remove the paper, so if you do not want to see this, now is the time to go. Big spoiler alert, here is the 2021 advent calendar from Sugar and Sloth. So right off the top, it's adorable. I see a gigantic calendar at the bottom. I'm very excited. This looks like an After Dark pin because I do subscribe to the After Dark, so that is probably why this is in here. There's this little, let's start off, there's this little sticker here. Every little thing is going to be okay, I promise. And it is a sticker. It's adorable, and it's got the coating on it, so I think it's weatherproof. So that I love. Then you've got a little card here. This Take Life one cup of tea at a time, and it on the back tells you all about Anita and her vision for the shop, which is basically, like I said, it's a feel-good, kind of sarcastic, adorable box that you get. You can order from the website too. It's not just a subscription, but I subscribe to the subscription because I like getting like just something every month, and I don't have to go on and look at everything in the shop. It's got a ton of stuff, adorable stuff, by the way. So there is that. Then I will take everything else out of the box, and then we will go through it. I'm very excited about this. So I love this so much, and I think this is a really good subscription to get for teenagers because you'll see when I open this, if you have a teenager or you know a teenager, like you have grandkids or something, this is a great way to do like positive affirmation, but in a snarky, fun kind of teenager way. You know how they are. So as I'm opening this, keep that in mind that I think I actually ordered this, not this one, but a monthly subscription for my little Lizzie. She is a mini teen right now, and so she'll start getting her boxes in January, and I think she's going to absolutely love them. So I'm going to start off with the box itself, and when you open it up, you got the little squiggly worms. Let's get those out of the way. Throw them in the other box, and then you've got all these little numbered packages in here, and look at how stinking adorable. Each one of them's got the little characters on them. Oh my gosh, I love this. This is so stinking cute. This video is going to take a little while, so if you're in a hurry, maybe come back later because this is going to take me a minute. Oh my gosh, look at that. There's so much in here. I'm so excited. So excited. Okay, so let's find number one. So number one has this cute little potato with a Christmas hat on. We're going to open this guy up. And feels like washi. Oh, it is. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Okay, I gotta open them so that you can see them, so you know my struggles with opening washi. It's gonna be quite the process to get through this for you. But let's oh, it's got that little potato guy on it. Oh my gosh, I love this. So I think these are her Christmas characters that she drew. I haven't honestly been on the site for a minute. If I can open the washi, you know my struggles. It's so hard. So I'm not sure what all the new characters are, but she draws up new characters all the time. And here it is. Oh my gosh, that is adorable. So I'm going to use my ugly arm so that you can actually see it, because you know what happens with my camera when it tries to focus on too many things. Look at how cute that is. I love the little fat dog and the little bird. Sorry, I just hit the camera with the thing. It's adorable. My pasty white arms. Yeah. One of the things about living up north is there isn't a lot of sun. So my California tan, 365 days a year, is gone. I'm thinking I might want to go to like a tanning booth or something so I don't look so sickly. I need number two. There it is at the bottom. You got to dig. Ooh, this one's cute. It's long. Look at the cute little dinosaur on the present. I wish I could like figure out how to keep all of these. Oh, it's a card with an envelope. Sometimes in your monthly subscription, you'll get cards that are hand-drawn cards. They're so stinking cute. It's blank on the inside. Oh, Oh my god, that is so stinking cute. Merry Christmas. I am the gift. I love that. I'm giving that to my husband. I'm glad I opened it before he came downstairs. He woke up super late from work today. I'm starting to get worried. So I went up and woke him up, and now I feel guilty, but he's upstairs showering, so he doesn't know what I'm doing right now. Number 3 is right here. Let's open up. Oh, it feels kind of pen-like. Look at him. Let me show you all the stickers first. He's cute in his little Christmas sweater. Alright, I just destroyed the bag. That's alright. It's a little pen that says, cute, but we'll fight you. That is adorable. See what I mean by this is like perfect for teenagers. Like, this is the kind of stuff that they would take to school and use along with the stickers. It's just adorable. I love this. Set that over there. Now we're going to go to number 4. Open this one up. Oh, I feel it. Oh, it's the little dinosaur. He's like an ornament for the tree, or you can use him on your keychain, whatever you want. Look at how stinking adorable he is. She just has the cutest little wild imagination. Adorable. I love that. Number 5. There it is. Oh, let's see. I'm not very good at guessing. Actually, I'm pretty terrible at guessing. It's Notepad. Number 5. My fat little puppy that I liked. Super cute. Yep. I got it. I'm not feeling very worky today. That's me lately a lot. Look at these fat little critters down here with the little fat little feet. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Oh, look, a fox. Scrappy fox. Yep, that's adorable. Nice thick pad. Long, make good lists. Perfect. Love it. Then, I don't even know what number we're on. What number are we on? 6? Are we on 6? I think we're on 6. So here's 6. Hopefully I'm not going out of order. Little Christmas tree with a little face on it. Number 6. Oh, it's a button. Merry whatever. Can you see that? Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Sometimes I'm feeling very merry whatever. Like, not in a good way. Sums it up perfectly. Number 7, little bird. Oh, look, he's on a present. So the enamel pins are top quality here. So if you are an enamel pin person, I got a pin board behind me in my office. Love her pins. They are great quality. Got the double on the back. So if you have like a messenger bag or a jacket or something where you want to carry these around and put them on, you could be totally, I mean, this is adorable. And my pin board is fantastic. It makes me smile every single time I look at it. Especially since most of them are sugar and sloth. Number 8. Oh, it's a big one. Here's number 8. Look, little badger. A honey badger. What's in here? What is this? Richard the Pony has blessed your day. This is cute. Oh, it's a little notepad. I could totally use this at work. It's my little idea book. I like that. That's cute. It's thick. Like, got a good thick, you can see the spine here. And then on the back it says Sugar and Sloth. There's that one. I'm almost done. I'm kind of sad. Actually, I'm not. This calendar is going to be fantastic, so I'm excited to show it to you. Here's Angry Puppy that was on the pin. This one would be number 9. And this one is, oh, I love these. Every once in a while you get these in the subscription, and they're the little like vinyl stickers. And so far, I have not used a single one of them because I don't want, you know, when you use them and then they go away. Oh my God, look at the frog. He's adorable. These are so stinking cute. Look at him. And then there's the butt card one. Oh my gosh, I love this. This is so cute. Oh yes. I'm so excited. It's like Christmas for me because, you know, when you get older, people just don't buy you stuff for Christmas anymore. Here's the little frog in a cup, number 10. It feels like another pen. To be perfectly honest, my daughter steals my pens. Oh, nope, this one's a pencil. It's a pencil with a black eraser. It's soft. Kind of sparkly. And it says, you're doing a great job. A little pencil. Anyway, my daughter likes to steal the cute pens and pencils from there. She has them in a little cup holder at work in her little cup pen thing so she can look at it. Here's number 11. I don't know what that is, but I love the hair. The hair is fantastic. Ah. Oh, it's one of those little wrist things. And it says, I am loved. That's cute. It's got little characters all the way around it. It's very spring looking, so not Christmas at all. And then number 12. Oh, let me show you. It's that guy. I don't know what he's riding. Maybe is that supposed to be a reindeer? Cute. And this one, oh, it's another pin. Oh my gosh, this one has, that's what it was. So earlier I was like, oh, it's a Christmas tree with a face. It's a Christmas tree with a face of a unicorn with a sparkly butt tail. Look at that. How stinking cute is that? I don't think it's picking up the sparkle, but it's very sparkly. That is an adorable pin. Double on the back. Super cute. Okay, so that is the end of the box. So now I'll show you the sweary pin. It says trick or treat. So the After Dark pin is something you have to subscribe to after. So if you want the After Dark pin, you have to message her and she will. So this one's not sweary, but some of them are very sweary. Like, I can't even tell you because I don't usually swear on my channel, but one says F yeah, and it's this adorable little pig and he's got a Christmas hat on and it's absolutely adorable. Cute but spooky. So that's another button. And then we'll get into the calendar itself. Hopefully I can get it in frame. But you got Sugar and Sloth, Nude Calendar 2022. And then this is the calendar. So every single month is set up. You've got New Year's, like some of your holidays in there is January. And then you've got like some type of a positive, adorable affirmation at the top. Sparkly New Year, same amazing me. You make the world a better place just being in it. Look at him. Oh. May your day be cozy and snack-filled. Your body is a part of you. It does not define you. See, that's why I'm saying that these are great for teenagers. Great for teenagers. If you remember being a teenager, you know what I mean. Too awesome for your negativity. Oh my gosh, that's adorable. Celebrate your own achievements. No one else knows how much effort they took. You've made so many lives better just by being you. Oh, look how cute he is. In the little wheelchair. Oh. It's a fudging minor setback. It says didn't fail all over the back. You didn't fail. Oh my gosh. Taking care of yourself is how you take your power back. Enforcing boundaries does not make you a bad person. I like him with a little knife in his hands. Back off. I have another one that's a bee and it says, I'm feeling very stabby today. Stop feeling guilty for prioritizing your mental health. I gave it a butt. Okay, you butt cheeks. It's okay to make mistakes. It's how you fix them that counts. There's that unicorn again. And that is the end. Super cute. Love this. I love this box. Great job, Anita. This is fantastic. This made my day. I'm going to be smiling all night now. This is everything that came in the box. I will spread it all out for you. I will leave Sugar and Sloth linked below. I don't know how many she has left. No idea. When you go on the website, it just says that you can add it to your cart, so I know that they have them. That is why I'm showing you this early. So if you were wondering and you wanted it, this is it. Comes super fast. There's no issues with the international stuff. I have no problems getting it every month other than the mailman likes to squish my box that it comes in, but everything inside is always just fine. And this is it. So I will leave it linked below. I hope you guys like this. This just makes me smile every month. I think it's a great thing to get, especially like I said for teenagers. So I just wanted to throw it out there for you guys so that you could take a peek and see if it's something you would like. Hope you guys have a fantastic day and I will see you again with the next unboxing. Bye bye.